Here is the Evanki USB-C charging dock. It does much more than just charge with USB-C because this plugs into a laptop and allows all these ports to become functional to the laptop. It has your HDMI ports right here for extra monitors. More than enough USB ports, and these USB 3 ports also have 18 watts worth of power that come out, so they're great for charging. You have your SD card reader built right into the dock, along with your Ethernet cable for super fast connection, along with a headset jack for both microphone and headphones. And you can see the dock is super lightweight, but it also has these rubber feet on the bottom to keep it from sliding around.